Y'all, half wigs are out here swiping edges. When the girlies on TikTok were talking about how half wigs were thinning out their edges, I had to go in the mirror and look at mine because I've been wearing half wigs religiously. And right where those combs sit, girl, tell me why it was thinning. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I've been installing my half wigs to be secure but edge safe. So grab your half wig. This half wig is from my hair company Rain. This is my Pixie curly texture. It's so pretty. You guys see those ringlets? This hair is so buttery soft. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so we have the half wig with the track sewn inside and the elastic band for added security, and it has drawstring as well. And I have an anchor braid going around the front of my hair, and that anchor braid, you want to stick that comb not under it like so, like please don't piss me off. Put the comb right through the braid, right on top. You guys see that? There's a difference. So go ahead and take that middle comb, we're gonna start with that one, and strategically place it right through the braid, not touching your scalp at all. If you guys feel any tension, you need to readjust. And I have my leave out parted out with some perm rods. Actually, I probably could have left less leave out in the middle, but because I'm doing like different hairstyles and stuff with this wig, this is actually a perfect amount of hair. But if I was just gonna wear this hair down, I would leave a little bit less hair out in the middle. And boom, just like that, the half wig is installed. And that's why half wigs are really that girl, because that was so fast and easy. And she is on there, like she is not going anywhere. I cannot even feel that on my scalp. I feel no pulling, nothing. Well, I feel the pulling, but you know what I mean. Not on my scalp. Now I'm just going to take out my perm rods that I had in overnight. I used some texture foam on my leave out before I put the curlers in. But y'all, I'm so afraid of these flexi rods because the other day one literally snapped and hit me in my temple, and it left a whelp and everything. Like, I've been afraid ever since. I think I have to switch to flexi rods. Use some oil on your fingertips just to minimize frizz, but then go ahead and separate your curls in the front, and then we're gonna get ready to blend. So for the blending part, you want to separate some curls in the front and twist the half wig curls with your curls so that it can create a seamless blend, especially if your leave out doesn't match the texture perfectly like mine. So yeah, just go around the perimeter, twisting and meshing the hair together. Finishing touches. My favorite part, baby hair. So I've been using this edge control. It smells so good. I love baby hair with curly hair. Like it's like the only time I feel like I can just do like a whole lot of baby hair. So just do your edges however you like. And this is the style, you guys. I'm gonna wear it down today. The curls are so pretty, but I've been playing in my hair so much at this point. I need to refresh a little bit because it's a little frizzy now. So I'm gonna take some water. Let me show y'all how this hair just is like butter. Products just melt into it so perfectly. Like this texture foam by the Dew, I'm just gonna put some on top just for the frizz. And this hair is just so buttery, you guys. When I tell you, quality. But yeah, that's the video, you guys. Check the description box for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.